Sweet and sticky ginger stir fry is easy to make, especially when you have leftover beef, which is why I always make extra. Since it's already cooked, it's easy to slice up and use it in so many different ways. For this stir fry, use whatever vegetables you love. We love peppers and broccoli. The sauce combines soya, apricot jam or marmalade, and tons of grated ginger and a clove of garlic. If you like heat like we do, add some hot sauce. Extend it with a little bit of water, and cornstarch will give your stir fry a beautiful glossy finish. At the stove, add canola to your pan along with your veg and start to cook them. In the meantime, prep some basil. When your veg are tender crisp, add your cooked beef along with your sauce and bring your sauce to a simmer until it thickens and your beef warms through. Then add your basil, and that is it. So easy and so delicious. You can eat it as is or use it to top some cooked noodles or rice. This is the perfect way to love your leftovers.